Yeah, we got Eve at the end of the day. We're not expecting this. Is this the new one?
Yes, sir.
Dang, look at the new wings on here. That looks sick. Yeah, this thing looks great, man. The one we rode, Mako, didn't have that.
Yeah, it kind of has like a double wing on it.
Yeah, interesting. I like it. We got the 2 new bikes out. Eve just got this, and then I just got the Fireblade. Pretty cool way to kind of end the day. He's gonna ride back with us. Honestly, after that all-you-can-eat sushi, I'm dead. So I don't know how much recording I'm gonna do on the way home, but I did ride 2026 not too long ago. But like I said, it wasn't the factory. They didn't have the extra wing here. So what's the difference in the package besides the suspension?
Yeah, the Olin suspension.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. Same
Interesting.
everything else.
I loved it when I rode it.
Yeah.
I mean, the V4 is such a great motor, man. Wait, so do you still have your other one that I rode? The
Yeah,
black and okay. So y'all remember that video? That was
the baby
fun.
version. This is the 660.
What? Oh,
this
that
is
makes,
660.
because I was looking, I was like, it looks
Yeah.
kind of small.
That's the
It's a 660 factory.
Yeah, have you ridden this one?
No, I have
I
not.
want you to ride it, man.
Oh,
because the funny
man.
thing is, I had the CBR 1000rr.
Yeah, kudos that you gave away.
Yep. This is more comfortable for me than my Fireblade was. That's the reason I didn't get another Fireblade. It was just not as comfortable.
Yeah, no, it's very aggressive seating position, very uncomfortable. Yeah, that's it, yeah. I was not planning on filming a video, but I guess we're filming a video. What's up, guys? Your boy FastLaneD, and today we've got a special treat for you guys. I was not expecting this to happen, but we just finished up eating sushi here, all-you-can-eat sushi, and I thought we were just having a nice chill ride home. We were gonna get the video film for the day, but Eve decided to pull up last minute, and he actually brought this beautiful Aprilia RS660 Factory. I have never seen one of these bikes before. I thought it was an RS4 when he pulled up, and if you see, it's got the double-decker wings right there, and then the lights are just gorgeous. Let me show you guys the screen here. Dang, the Aprilia is really stepping it up. And then, bro, the lights are just gorgeous on that bike, man. Holy cow. It's got the Brembo brakes, Olin suspension on there, turbo brakes in the rear. I mean, this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. Holy cow. I mean, oh, dang, this is really damn. Yeah, that is really comfortable.
I told him it was comfortable.
Bad influence, man. Him and Burton, I need to stay away from, bro.
You talk about track. I know you do a lot of track.
Yeah,
That is a freaking track.
Oh, I can imagine.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
It looks good. Wait, what is this? A 3-cylinder? What is this?
That is a V2.
It's a V2.
So that's literally
wow.
half of the RS V4 engine.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a V2.
Dang.
Yeah.
And its mid-range feels good and all that.
You be the judge. You guys wait. Keep watching this video. He's about to ride that thing, and I think he's gonna like it.
Yeah. So shout out to Eve for letting me pull up on this and let me ride it. And we'll get some cinematics tomorrow because Mako doesn't have his gimbal with him, but it's nice, bro. It feels really good. I love this seating position. It's really comfortable. Like really comfortable. Oh. Say that, it makes some beautiful bikes, I'll tell you that. It actually sounds really good for a stock exhaust. No, I like it. We'll cut to some cinematic edit by Mako in 3, 2, 1, whoop!
Lights on.
Lights on there.
Yeah,
illuminated dials. It's
I didn't even peep that. Yeah, that's
it's
sick.
the only super bike with illuminated dials. RS V4 doesn't even have that.
That's
Our
sick.
M1000s don't have it. Illuminated.
Yeah.
That's one reason.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hell yeah.
He wants to race this. But the gauges are better. That's better. The illuminated stuff, very comfortable.
And he has an RS4, so it's saying a lot that he went and got this bike too. So I'm excited to do this ride. All right, well, Eve is gonna ride my Fireblade. We're swapping new bikes here. Let me turn these lights on for you guys so y'all can appreciate this bike a little bit more. But I rode an RS660 out in Cali, and I actually rode it from San Diego up to LA. It was the perfect bike for that scenario. But once I got to LA and I was ripping around with a bunch of people that had 1000s, I think someone at Superleggera in that video, Kay was on his M1000rr, Ride Along was on his H2, like they just left me. So it'll be fun to kind of, I guess it's kind of this, no, there's a ZX6 here, Miko's on the R7, and then we got my two bikes up front. So it'll be a little bit more of a even fun ride, but enough yapping. Let's actually get on and see how this bad boy feels. Like I said, I really was expecting it on here, so this is a kind of a nice treat, a nice way to end the trip because we are leaving tomorrow. Yeah, this really is such a comfortable seating position, man. Yeah, and I can already tell this thing is torquey and sounds really good too. Like it's got that grunt, got some balls to it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's not blisteringly fast, but it's got great low end and mid-range on it, man. This is a sweet little bike that Aprilia makes a 660 because it kind of looks like RS4 like from afar, so it gives you that aggressive look that 1000s have. But when you get on it, the seating position is comfortable. The power isn't like overwhelming like a lot of these leader bikes. This thing has all the tech you could want on it as well, like most of the leader bikes. And we actually, I think this thing has cruise control on it too, which is nice. We're gonna get some gas. Yeah, bro, hold on, let me turn the lights on. I like this like highlighter, strawberry, like reddish orange that they have on this bike. Beautiful with the black. Like I said, I thought it was an RS4 when E pulled up on it. I didn't realize it was a 660, but really good looking bike. I really like the winglets, man. That's actually really cool. What do you guys think? Do you like it, or do you think it's kind of gimmicky? I think it's cool. It gives it definitely a unique, aggressive presence for sure. All right, let's go for a ride. And this seat is so comfortable, bro. It's so punchy. Just like instant torque on this thing, man. Holy cow. We got a crew of bikes that just joined us out of nowhere. That's wild. Bro, this thing actually feels really good. Like a lot of time you get on these middleweight bikes after riding leader bikes all day, and this thing, obviously once you cross like 100 miles per hour, you feel the difference. But I mean, 0 to 100, it's really all you need, and this thing definitely scoots. Oh yeah, it pulls. This thing has phenomenal mid-range, man. Power. Oh, I'm shifting early. I didn't realize this thing had shift lights on it. Hold on. That's cool. Oh, look at that. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that is an absolutely beautiful backdrop right there. Holy cow. I'd make a let's race, man. Yeah, gapping the R7 boy. Gapping the R7 boy. Bye-bye. Gotcha. Yeah, Mako, gapping that boy. 660 gapping that my boy. What a R9 at, man? The R7 too easy. 660 handing out the smoke. Fun little middleweight battle. Yeah, you could ride this thing for like hours.
What do you mean by that?
Because of the seating position, it's so comfortable. And that seat, it's one of those seats that, you know, like cusp your butt. Like it's literally like someone's just holding my two cheeks like this right now.
Hey yo, what the f?
It actually feels really good. Yeah, my baby Mona, I know she shoots flames. Oh yeah. This thing actually kind of scoots. Being a middleweight bike, it actually has a decent amount of top end. And I'd imagine with this thing tuned, exhaust, all that good stuff on here, this bike would be great. I don't know who this is, but that thing's not crackle pops, man. I know we talked about this before. I've ridden the RS4 and now this new RS660. Should we add an Aprilia to the fleet? I really need to stop buying bikes. I need to swap some out. But I love all my girls. But I've never actually owned Aprilias. I've ridden a bunch of them, but I've never owned one. I'll be honest with you, I just heard some nightmare stories about getting parts. So that's what's kind of slowed me down from wanting to buy one, because obviously all this is a business. I can't have bikes sitting waiting for parts. Like, they need to be active and generating income for the channel for them to make sense. That's just how business works. I don't know. I want to try one though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I do. say, this thing doesn't feel like it falls on its ass like a lot of bikes do in the high RPMs. It's still like generating a decent amount of torque up top, which is impressive. And this suspension actually absorbs, or as Eve would say, the filthy streets of Cleveland very well. Okay, Aprilia. Brakes feel good too. Handling wise, like obviously the 600, so it's a super light bike. This is like the track weapon, bro. Like I would love to get this bike out on the track where it really belongs. And the nice part with this, like with our track days, we usually do like open sessions, so we're just out there. As long as you want, you come off. You can ride this thing for a while and not get tired. Because A, it's a lighter bike, and B, the seating position is actually very comfortable. And guys, remember, August 16th, we're doing a meetup here at Johnny K's Power Sports. We're actually bought the Fireblade, and we'll be out here, we'll be set up. Come see us, all the bikes and everything out. It'll be a good time, man. But great bike. I liked it. Good mid-range. It doesn't feel like it falls flat when you go into the higher RPMs. It feels good, man.
I like the colors.
Yeah, the colors are good. What'd you think about the blade?
I love it.
Oh, wow.
Just telling you,
It's way better, yeah.
It's much better.
Whatever they changed this year is much, yeah.
It is.
Yeah,
Now,
I agree.
It was uncomfortable based on my last
Yeah, yeah.
This one is comfortable.
They switched the ergonomics a little bit on it, yeah. They gave it more mid-range too.
Indeed.
Yeah.
I feel that too.
Exactly.
It's so smooth.
Exactly. That's why I was shocked when I got on. I'm like, this kind of rivals the BMW. It's not as good, obviously, but it's very close.
Right, yeah.
It's very close.
I mean, keep in mind, it still has cast wheels on it and stuff too.
Exactly.
You modify
Yeah,
what
put
we
the
know
different
you're gonna
wheels.
do.
Yeah.
I want to do a video with me and you on my new Ducati in this when you modify.
Oh, absolutely. That'll be fun. Let's do it, man.
Smackdown.
Let's do it. I'm down, man. That'll be a good time. So, heck yeah. The blade changing people's opinions because Eve had the old one. It's a great bike, man. You can ride it for forever.
Yes.
I would love to get this out on the track because it's comfortable, it's light, and it has mid-range and top ends. Like, it doesn't feel like it falls on its face.
Yeah, for guys, it doesn't. And for guys like me that aren't advanced level track riders, I'm intermediate.
Yeah.
That bike is perfect because it has usable power.
Exactly, yeah.
And the power of these big bikes will kill you.
It's too, it's a lot to handle on the track, man.
Yes.
This is perfect. Thank you for letting me ride it, man. I loved it, dog.
As usual, you can ride any of my bikes.
I appreciate that,
You
man.
have most of them. So
I know. They're not done up like yours, though. Yours a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But
yeah, I'll bring one that he doesn't have.
hell yeah, that's awesome, man. This thing is beautiful. Mako, what do you think? Yeah, I was gapping you. Yeah, I was gapping you. Yeah, I was giving that work, boy. Bro, no, I was giving you that work, man. Yeah. But really, that's all I got for you guys, man. If y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to like button, hit the subscribe button. From the Fast Lane Gang, babe. Your boy, the R660. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Should we add a Aprilia to the fleet? We have not seen that branding in the garage yet, but I've ridden a lot of the bikes and they all feel good. That's the end of the video. Come to our meetup, Johnny K's. Mako pop-up flyer on the screen. Work hard, be consistent. You can do anything you want in life. Stay the course, man. Stay the course, no matter what happens. All right, catch y'all next one. I'm out. Peace.